What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today's hair sponsor is Hairsmarket. I've actually worked with them twice now, and you guys, I am blown away at how beautiful this wig is.
Lights a spark.
I have a 28-inch 13x4 transparent lace, natural deep curly.
It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me.
I did pluck this hairline on this unit beforehand. This is what she looks like after being plucked. I hope I didn't over pluck it.
What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection, lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers.
This lace is giving very transparent. Alright, so I secured the sideburns. I'm just mixing it on a piece of paper. A little light, but I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna just put it everywhere, and then we're gonna let it dry. Now I think I'm gonna go in with some foundation because I don't think that did the trick. Really like using this ebon, what is this, ebon holding gel for my baby hairs. It works really well. It's like really strong, dries really fast. Dries so fast, you guys. Like you literally don't have enough time to do your molding after you put that on. How beautiful this is, you guys. I'm loving it. You guys think I'm thinking the middle part, aren't you? I am, yeah. This is a lot of hair, you guys. Like a lot. I'm actually dying of heat. So what I'm going in with is the styling gel, holding gel, because I want to hold it. That gel is so strong, you guys, like, whoa. I'm convinced it's glue at this point. What I need to do is get a big, huge bottle of it. gonna spray her down a little bit and then add some conditioning lotion. Go in with my Denman brush. Okay. And now I'm gonna go in with my Shea Moisture Strengthen Restore Smoothie. Hey guys, so I'm going to come back when it's dried, and then we're gonna finish off the look. I'm just gonna define the part. It is absolutely beautiful, you guys. It's been a while since I've done a deep curly texture that's this length. Now I remember how beautiful this hair texture is and why I loved it so much. Right off the bat, I did do a few things to get this wig to look like this. Hopefully you guys can achieve this at home as well. First thing I did when I got the wig out of the box, I looked at the hairline. I noticed that it was pretty full and it needed some plucking, but if you guys know, I am terrified of plucking. I've made a few wigs bald in the past, and I definitely didn't want to do that again with this wig. It was so long and curly and full, and I just thought like, oh my god, it could live its best life if it was only plucked. So I watched some tutorials online and I did my damn thing, you guys. Look at the hairline. She's flawless. I am so blown away at myself. Like, what? I did use glue for this install and it actually worked out well. Like, everything literally just melted and everything turned out the way that I wanted it. We did long sideburns for this install and she looks beautiful. Now, the density, I believe it is 180%. Now, I am 5'9", you guys. You've heard it many times and you know that I'm part of the tall girl gang, and she is so long. If I stand up, she's definitely stretched length, maybe 32 inch. The hair is very soft, doesn't have a bad smell to it. It's just stunning. Like, I actually don't have anything bad to say about this unit. Look at her, you guys, super flawless. If you guys want to check out Hairsmarket, I'm gonna leave all the information in the description box below for you guys. If there's a coupon code, of course, it's gonna be there as well. Those are my final thoughts on this wig. I definitely love it. I think you guys will too. If you're looking for a big, full vacation wig or party wig or birthday wig, I would say this is a great option. I gotta run, guys. I'll catch you in another video real soon. Bye for now.